Can your papier mâché figurine stay upright? This can quite literally be a balancing act. Welcome, this is Rozani. Here are 3 important things that I consider absolutely necessary when working on papier mâché figurines. When you begin to balance your figurine, you must make sure that the weight is evenly distributed. Work it out in the armature. Here's an example of one of my works in progress. There are no wires used in this piece, but how does it remain standing? Decide how to keep it upright in the proper position to help support the entire sculpture. Always keep the pose in mind. Do you want to show movement or action? How do you show motion without it toppling over? Keep it stable. Have it strike a pose where the appearance of motion is present but well balanced, adding stability to the entire figurine. Make sure it is not top heavy. If you prefer, you could use a stand or a staff. I apply these methods to my Project Toad workshop tutorials as part of my Mad Labs experiments, making artfully delightful designs, and it will take a little extra effort. The main thing that I'd like you to remember is if you take the time to work out a good armature, keeping in mind the weight, the stance, and the pose, you'll have no problem at all. I hope this has been helpful to you. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Meanwhile, I do thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye for now.